Department of Botany, in collaboration with National Mission for Himalayan Studies, organized 2 days workshop on mushroom biology cultivation and entrepreneurship under the banner of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at EGM College, Leh.
Good morning, everyone. Today's chief guest, Principal Sir Dava, our keynote speaker for today's session, Professor Yashpal Sharma, Principal Investigator, NMHS Project, Department of Botany, University of Jammu. Dr. Vikas Gupta, Scientist, Plant Pathologist, KVK Leh, SQUAST Leh, respected faculty members of EGM College, and my dear friends. I, Tabassum Fatima of 4th semester, welcome you all to the 2 days workshop on mushrooms, their biology, cultivation and entrepreneurship, organized by the Department of Botany, EGM College, Leh. To proceed with the program, I request Ma'am Razia Parveen, HOD Botany, EGM College, Leh, to welcome the guests. Today's chief guest, Botany Principal Professor Tashi Dawale, Professor Yashpal Sharma, Principal Investigator, National Mission for Himalayan Studies Project, Department of Botany, University of Jammu, esteemed guests, and my dear students, a very warm morning to all of you. I, on behalf of the Department of Botany, EGMC, would like to extend hearty greetings. The workshop would cover important topics including biology, cultivation and entrepreneurship related to mushrooms. The workshop is graced by 4 eminent speakers. We have with us Professor Yashpal Sharma, Principal Investigator, National Mission for Himalayan Studies, Department of Botany, University of Jammu. We have Dr. Vikas Gupta, Scientist, Plant Pathologist, KVK SQUAST, Leh Ladakh. We have Dr. Kunchok Durje, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, EGM College, Leh, and Ms. Sonam Angmo, a budding agri-entrepreneur from Likir, Leh Ladakh. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to our worthy Principal Sir for providing us with financial and technical support, without which the conduct of this kind of workshop would not be possible. I would also like to extend my heartiest thanks to all the eminent speakers as they agreed to grace the occasion in spite of their busy schedule. So lastly, I wish the 2 days of beneficial and interesting sessions to all the participants. Once again, welcome you all on this 2 days workshop. Thank you all.
Faculty of Department of Botany of EGM College, thanks that you in a very short period of time were able to make out this 2 days workshop on mushroom. I don't know much about mushroom except that at least I eat it once a week. Which matter? Lekin I must say, about 25 years back, I had a mushroom training. It must be more than 25 years back. It was long back, somewhere in ecology, we were doing training of mushroom cultivation. Today, I come to know that mushroom cultivation in Ladakh is still in infancy. So I'm really wondering कि 25 साल पहले तो हमने मशरूम कल्टीवेशन के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत सीखा था. So what happened in all these 25 years? So despite the fact that mushroom business can be very profitable, all of us know कि बाजार में मशरूम कितना महंगा है. The question is again, it boils down to why it is still in infancy. I was told
a platform to interact with the young audience of this great college, of a great place, I would say. And I'm also thankful to Dr. Ponchuk for considering me as the speaker of touching upon the cultivation technology, because Dr. Vikas, who actually is an expert in the mushroom cultivation technology, he would be speaking, and I know that he would be presenting a lot of good things and some tips also for many of you who would like to make a career out of this.
And for the second session for today, we have with us Dr. Vikas Gupta. Dr. Vikas Gupta completed his doctorate in plant pathology from Sher-e-Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology of Jammu. Presently,
सबसे पहले मैं दिल की गहराइयों से EGMC कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल और स्टाफ का बहुत दिल की गहराइयों से धन्यवाद करता हूं और बधाई के पात्र हैं कि उन्होंने 2 दिवसीय कार्यशाला जो मशरूम के ऊपर आज आयोजित की यहाँ पे, जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। और मैं EGMC कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल और स्टाफ का धन्यवाद इसलिए भी कर। मशरूम जो है बेसिकली इट्स अ फंजी, है ना, बट इट्स अ एडिबल फंजी। कौन सा फंजी है? खाने वाला, जिसको हम खा सकते हैं। और जो फंजी है, फंजी अपने आप में ही एक बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है जिसको हम माइकोलॉजी बोलते हैं, है ना। तो मैक्सिमम फंजीज जो होते हैं, कुछ हमारे लिए यूजफुल भी हैं और मैक्सिमम हमारे लिए हार्मफुल भी हैं। जैसा आप जानते हैं कि आप सब प्लांट से डील करते हैं, तो प्लांट्स को जो मैक्सिमम डिजीज होती हैं वो किसके कारण होती है? फंजी के। और ह्यूमंस को जो ज्यादातर डिजीज होती हैं वो बैक्टीरियल होती है, बट जो प्लांट्स को होती हैं वो फंगल डिजीज होती हैं। 80% डिजीज जो होती हैं प्लांट्स को, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ फंजी, और रेस्ट 20% इज बिकॉज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, एक्टिनोमाइसीड, नेमेटोड्स एंड whatever it is.
I will first start by expressing my heartiest thanks to our esteemed speakers, Professor Yashpal Sharma, Dr. Vikas Gupta, Dr. Ponchuk Dorje, and Ms. Sonam Mammu, for enlightening us all with your knowledge, skills, and experience. Next, I would like to thank our respected Principal Dawale for providing us with necessary guidance and financial support. Our sincere thanks goes to the organizers of this workshop, the faculties of Department of Botany, EGM College Leh. And our appreciation and thanks also goes to the students who helped us through organizing and arranging things for this workshop. I also would like to thank our lovely audience for being so patient listeners and actively participating in the workshop. Last but not the least, I present my utmost appreciation and thanks to the Media Club of EGM College Leh for covering the event and making it a successful one. I'm sure this workshop has helped and was able to provide good amount of knowledge and
Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, to please give a token of appreciation to Sir Ponchuk Dorje.
And my dear students, a very warm morning to all of you. So today we have a very renowned and our beloved teacher with us, Dr. Ponchuk Dorje, as our first speaker. So Dr. Ponchuk Dorje is presently working as Assistant Professor Botany at Eliza Jordan Memorial College Leh. Earlier he served at Women's College Sopur for
good morning and namaskar Sammana. First of all, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to the Department of Botany led by Ma'am Razia and Ma'am Rinchen for giving me this opportunity to share my knowledge on fungi and to share what I know about the fungi. And at the same time, I would like to thank all of you students because I have been seeing some of you students, particularly the students of fifth semester. You have been busy in the preparation of this workshop, and I believe that it is the students and the teachers together when it comes to a department, when it comes to a single department. It is not only the teachers who can complete that workshop. It is the students who put all efforts and make this workshop a success. So thank you to all of you students also. Regarding fungi, I have chosen a very simple and very common topic, the amazing world of mushrooms, because I thought that I should touch the basics of fungi rather than going into complexity of cultivation and all that. This is because in our skill courses there is one topic, introduction to mushrooms. So I will be also I take this liberty to complete that topic in this lecture also. So it is my advice to the students of skill course to be attentive and you understand this topic very carefully, because
Good afternoon, everybody. Zara सुनते लगी गले. हम आप comfortable से चला था. यही का students ना कुछ दुखा रहे. ये दासा मैम रिंचल लगे स्टूडेंट इना like subject botany, zoology, human का arts students का चीज़ हम यूज़ दुखा रहे. So ये presentation is to ये ले. जी मतलब not as a like a guest, but as a student like you, I just want to share my presentation. इन्होंने जी result नाम और जो मतलब मरा अच्छी experience नो, मरा अच्छी हाँ वो रियोस्टान वो ये जैसे हम मज़े ने ले. देने अच्छी doubts या अच्छी questions रिक्वेस्ट ना last का जी हम बिगले. ने यंत्रन वो full कोशिश रहना ले. हम मरा अच्छी स्टैंड वो reply कम